Hi, the invalid coupon, this page, is the page you see when you have already redeemed your coupon and you try to do it again, or you press back and redeem and try to cheat. Then it will show that this coupon has already been used. You decide what graphics to put in it. I'll just put an image saying redeem stop, already been used. So if you try to redeem it at the counter and you see this page, then the personnel knows that this one was already used. I'll have a share on Facebook. You could also put request SMS in it if you want your customers to be allowed to request a new one. You can say this has already been used, so I wish to request a new one. In this case, I just put in share with a friend. See here, link to share with a friend. You can always edit and update. And I wish to put in share on Facebook and add that one. And in the bottom, I'd like to link to an external site. Put in the graphics and the URL and add it. Now I have the invalid coupon that your customers will see if they try to redeem it once again. I just choose save, and I have created the invalid coupon.